Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to Google Pay, making your digital payments even more flexible and convenient. Linking these two powerful platforms allows you to use your PayPal balance or linked bank accounts for everyday purchases, right from your phone. This seamless integration streamlines your checkout process, whether you are shopping online or in physical stores. You will discover how simple it is to set up and start spending. To begin, open the Google Pay application on your mobile device. Locate the Payment Methods section and tap the plus icon to add a new card or account. From the list of options, choose PayPal as your desired payment method. This step initiates the secure connection process between your two financial accounts, ensuring a smooth transition to the next stage of setup. It is a quick and straightforward initial step. After selecting PayPal, you will be securely redirected to the PayPal login page within the Google Pay app. Enter your PayPal account credentials and agree to the terms and conditions presented. PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity through a quick two-factor authentication step, such as a text message code or email verification. This security measure helps protect your account, ensuring only you authorize the link. Once connected, your PayPal account will appear as a payment option within Google Pay, ready for use. When checking out online or at a store, simply select Google Pay and then choose your PayPal account. This allows you to pay using your PayPal balance, linked bank accounts, or debit cards, offering flexibility wherever Google Pay is accepted. Enjoy the convenience of spending securely with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.